Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to always start Firefox in private mode. This is actually quite simple. First I will open Firefox and I will show you that we are not in private mode right now, as I can open it separately in the top right corner. This is important because the private mode looks different when you change it. To always switch on private mode, click on the three bars at the top right corner and go to Settings. Here we switch to the Privacy and Security tab and scroll down until we reach History. We change this to Use Custom Settings for History and then check Always Use Private Browsing Mode. Now we have to restart Firefox once. And we also see that it doesn't look like private mode at first. But we will also see when I open a new private mode window, it now just looks like this by default. So this is just to help you understand, because I personally found it a little confusing at first. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.